Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will go over the Excel second function. The Excel second function requires one argument, serial number, or also known as the date time value. The Excel function returns the seconds in an Excel time value as a number between 0 and 59. In the first example, I will cover the Excel second basics. In column A, we have our values, and we want the second results to be in column B. In cell B2, I will enter the formula equals second, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. Let's review each value. In row 2, we have a value of 8. The second function will ignore the hour and minute and return only the seconds. In row 3, we have a result of 11. Again, the second function will ignore the date, hour, and minute. In row 4, the time is greater than a time found on a 24-hour clock. Example of this in the hour video, link in the description below. Since we are only focused on the second, this will not impact the results, giving us a value of 22 seconds. Rows 5 and 6 use the AM and PM values. Since the seconds are not affected by the AM-PM values, the results will be 15 and 1 respectively. In row 7, we are using a decimal. Just like the hour and minute videos, the decimal represents a percentage of a 24-hour clock. Let's break down the time using some basic math. First, let's start with the hours. In cell E1, our formula will be equals 0.454 times 24. The 24 represents a 24-hour clock. Our result is 10.896. The 10 represents our hour, and the 0.896 represents the minutes and seconds. Next, in E2, let's find the minutes using the 0.896 value. Equals 0.896 times 60. The 60 in this instance represents the number of minutes in an hour. Now we have 53.76, with the 53 representing the minutes and the 0.76 representing the seconds. Lastly, we will find our seconds using the 0.76, which is 76% of a minute, or equals 0.76 times 60, where 60 is the seconds in a minute. Our value returned is 45.6. Since we are not using milliseconds, the value will round up to 46, which is the same value we have in B7. In row 8, since we do not have a time, the default time will be midnight, so our return value is 0 seconds. In row 9, since the data value is not a valid Excel date, we will get a value error. In the next example, we will continue using our employee timesheet, which has been used in the hour and minute videos. We have calculated our hours and minutes using the following formulas. The hours formula is equals hour, open parentheses, D14 minus C14, close parentheses. And the minute formula equals minute, open parentheses, D14 minus C14, close parentheses. Now let's add our seconds formula in the cell G14. Equals second, open parentheses, D14 minus C14, close parentheses. There. Our seconds have been added, and now we can get an exact work time down to the second for each of our employees. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.